Ever felt an unexplained heaviness in your home? You might not realize it, but some objects in your living space could be drawing in negative energy. It's important to identify these items to maintain a harmonious environment. In the realm of spirituality, bad energy is the term for negative or harmful vibrations that impact your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Such energy can cause discomfort, anxiety, or unease in your surroundings. Everything, including objects, holds energy. When we talk about objects holding energy, we mean they absorb and emit vibrations based on their history, the emotions around them, and their associations. Items linked to negative events or owned by someone with negative feelings can store and release those vibrations. Being aware of this is essential for maintaining a positive and healthy living environment. In this video, we will be going through 6 things that we need to do away with. Gifts from people with negative emotions or intentions. When someone gives you a gift, it often carries the emotional energy of the giver. If the person who gave you the gift is toxic, jealous, or has ill intentions, their negative energy can be attached to the item. This can affect the energy in your home and your personal well-being. Toxic individuals often have unresolved negative emotions like anger, jealousy, or bitterness. When they give you a gift, these emotions can transfer to the item and, subsequently, to you. Keeping such gifts in your home can create a sense of unease, discomfort, and negativity. It's essential to be discerning about the items you accept and keep in your living space to maintain a positive and harmonious home environment. If you sense negative energy or feel uneasy about a gift, it might be best to remove it from your home. Trust your intuition when it comes to deciding whether to keep or discard an item. Your well-being should be a priority, and eliminating sources of negative energy is a step toward creating a healthier living space. It's not just about rejecting gifts. It's about creating boundaries and protecting your personal space. Negative energy from such gifts can linger and affect your mood, sleep, and overall well-being. You might feel inexplicably drained or anxious without realizing the source. By consciously deciding what to keep in your home, you're actively choosing to nurture a positive environment. This practice is not about being ungrateful, but about being mindful of the energy that surrounds you. Consider regifting or donating items that don't feel right. This way, you're also ensuring they go to someone who might not be affected the same way. Artificial plants and dried flowers. Artificial plants and dried flowers might look appealing and require less maintenance, but they lack the life force energy that real living plants possess. In the realm of spirituality, living plants are considered to emit positive energy because they grow, breathe, and undergo natural cycles. This life force energy can contribute to a more vibrant and positive atmosphere in your home. In contrast, artificial plants and dried flowers are static and lifeless, which means they do not contribute to the positive energy flow in the same way. Real plants require care and attention, and in return, they can purify the air, increase humidity, and contribute to a sense of well-being. Their presence can make a room feel more alive and fresh, enhancing the overall energy of your living space. If you love the look of plants but worry about maintenance, consider choosing low-maintenance plants that are easy to care for. There are many varieties that require minimal watering and can thrive in various light conditions. By opting for real plants, you bring a touch of nature indoors, significantly improving the energy in your home. Real plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also have scientifically proven benefits. They can reduce stress levels, boost mood, and improve concentration. The act of tending to plants can be therapeutic, creating a sense of purpose and routine. In contrast, artificial plants can accumulate dust and become visually dull over time, further detracting from the positive energy in your space. If you're new to plant care, start with hardy species like succulents or snake plants that thrive with minimal attention. This gradual introduction to living plants can make a significant difference in the energy and vitality of your home. Broken items. In many spiritual beliefs, broken items are thought to attract negative energy because they symbolize incompleteness and disarray. Keeping broken objects around can create an atmosphere of sadness, melancholy, and negativity, as they are constant reminders of something that is not whole. Mirrors, in particular, hold significant spiritual meaning. They are believed to reflect not only physical images, but also energy. A broken mirror can distort these reflections, leading to a disrupted energy flow in your home. This can result in feelings of unease and discomfort. It is essential to either repair broken mirrors or dispose of them to maintain a balanced and positive environment. Similarly, broken glasses and dishes can harbor negative energy. When you use or keep items that are chipped, cracked, or otherwise damaged, it can subconsciously reinforce feelings of neglect or lack. These feelings can permeate your living space, affecting your overall sense of well-being. It is better to replace these items with whole, intact ones to promote a sense of completeness and positivity. The philosophy of letting go of broken items is deeply rooted in many cultures and spiritual practices. It signifies making space for new, whole, and positive things to enter your life. Holding on to broken items can symbolize holding on to past hurts or failures, which can subconsciously impact your mindset and emotions. Repairing or discarding broken items can be a powerful act of self-care and renewal. It's about creating an environment that reflects and supports your aspirations for completeness and well-being. This practice encourages a mindset of abundance rather than lack, promoting a healthier and more positive living space. Media related to the occult or dark supernatural theme? Media can harbor negative energy and impact the atmosphere of your home. This is particularly true for materials related to the occult, New Age practices, or dark supernatural themes. These types of content often delve into topics that can invite negative or unsettling energies. While they might be intriguing or entertaining to some, keeping them in your home can have unintended spiritual consequences. Media about the occult, witchcraft, or dark supernatural themes often explore negative forces and energies. This can lead to an accumulation of negative vibrations in your living space. Even if you don't actively engage with these materials, their presence can affect the overall energy in your home. It is important to be cautious about the types of content you allow into your personal space. Posters or merchandise from movies and shows linked to the occult or dark supernatural themes can also carry similar negative energies. These items can subtly influence the atmosphere, creating a space that feels heavy or unsettling. It's essential to be mindful of the decorations you choose to display, as they can significantly impact the energy flow in your home. The impact of media on our subconscious mind is profound. Dark and occult themes can subtly influence your thoughts, emotions, and even dreams, contributing to a pervasive sense of anxiety or unease. Surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting content can significantly alter your home's energy, promoting a more harmonious and peaceful atmosphere. It's not about censorship, but about making mindful choices that support your mental and emotional health. Consider curating a collection of media that inspires, educates, and uplifts, creating a sanctuary of positive energy that permeates every corner of your home. Unflattering mirrors. Unflattering mirrors can significantly disrupt the energy flow in your home, affecting your mental and emotional well-being. Mirrors are powerful tools in the realm of spirituality and feng shui, as they reflect not only your physical image, but also the energy in your space. When a mirror distorts your reflection or is placed in a negative position, it can contribute to feelings of discomfort and imbalance. Seeing a warped or unclear image of yourself can create a sense of unease and negativity. It's important to use mirrors that provide a true reflection, as they promote a positive self-image and help maintain a balanced energy in your home. The placement of mirrors is equally important. Mirrors positioned facing a bed, for example, can disrupt your sleep and lead to restlessness. In feng shui, it is believed that mirrors reflecting the bed can disturb the energy flow around you while you sleep, causing negative effects on your rest and overall well-being. To promote a restful environment, avoid placing mirrors directly across from or above your bed. Mirrors can also amplify and reflect negative energy if placed in areas where clutter or chaos exists. When a mirror reflects disorganized spaces, it can double the sense of disorder and negativity. It's essential to ensure that mirrors reflect positive and organized spaces to enhance the energy flow in your home. Keeping mirrors clean and free of smudges is also crucial, as dirty or dull mirrors can affect the clarity of the energy they reflect. Mirrors are often used in feng shui to manipulate energy flow, reflecting and redirecting it to enhance the balance of a space. However, mirrors that distort your image can distort your perception of self, leading to negative self-talk and diminished confidence. Ensuring your mirrors are clean, well-placed, and in good condition is a simple yet effective way to enhance the positive energy in your home. Additionally, consider the symbolism of what your mirrors reflect. A beautiful, organized space can amplify positive feelings, while clutter and chaos can double negative vibes. Thoughtfully positioned mirrors can also make spaces feel larger and more open, contributing to a more inviting and expansive home environment. Objects with negative historical associations. Objects with negative historical associations can bring unwanted energy into your home. These are items that have been involved in traumatic events or have a history of negativity attached to them. For example, antiques or heirlooms that come from difficult or dark periods, or objects linked to personal or historical tragedies, can carry residual energy from those events. Keeping such items in your home can inadvertently affect the energy and mood of your living space. Items with a troubled past might hold on to the emotional residue of their previous owners or the events they have witnessed. This can create an atmosphere that feels heavy or unsettling. Even if these items have aesthetic or sentimental value, their negative associations can outweigh their positive attributes. The emotional weight they carry can impact your own feelings and the overall harmony of your home. It is crucial to be aware of the origins of the objects you bring into your home. Researching the history of antiques or inherited items can provide insight into their past and help you assess whether they might affect your space negatively. If you discover that an object has a history associated with distress or negativity, it may be wise to reconsider its place in your home. If you already own items with such associations and feel their presence is affecting your environment, it's important to address this. You can choose to remove these items from your home, donate them, or store them away. While parting with items of historical or sentimental value might be difficult, prioritizing the energy and harmony of your living space is essential for your well-being. Creating a harmonious living space is more than just about aesthetics. It's deeply intertwined with the energy that surrounds us. Every object we bring into our homes has the potential to influence the atmosphere and affect our emotional and spiritual well-being. Being mindful of the items we keep, from gifts with negative energy to broken utensils, helps us cultivate a space that supports our happiness and peace. Our homes should be sanctuaries where we feel uplifted and rejuvenated. By understanding the impact of the energy that objects carry, we can make conscious decisions to remove or replace items that do not contribute positively to our environment. Embracing practices like regular cleansing, incorporating positive rituals, and being discerning about what we allow into our space are all steps toward creating a nurturing home. When dealing with items of historical significance, it's crucial to balance their aesthetic and sentimental value with the potential emotional weight they carry. Engaging in practices like cleansing rituals can help neutralize any negative energy associated with these objects. For instance, smudging with sage or setting intentions can be effective in transforming the energy they hold. Understanding and acknowledging the history of such items can also provide a sense of closure and respect, allowing you to integrate them into your space in a way that honors their past while maintaining a positive atmosphere in your home. This mindful approach can help you preserve the beauty and significance of these items without compromising the harmony of your living environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content on creating a positive and harmonious home environment. Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay positive.